here is your review C for the Chapter 6 test. The first thing we're going to look at is rewriting logarithms in exponential form and exponentials equations into logarithmic form. So let's look at a couple basics, remembering that 2 cubed equals 8. This is exponential form. And the corresponding logarithmic form is that log base 2 of 8 equals 3. So notice that my exponent goes to the other side of the equal sign, and my 2 is the base of the log. So the base of the log and the base of the exponent are interchanged, and then the 8 goes from equals to inside the log. So we're going to go back and forth between these. So use that as your guide. So the first problem is log of x to the 5th equals 4. And we have to remember that log with no base is the common log, which is log base 10. So that's 10. My base is 10. So, and sometimes we like to write it with the variable. When there's a variable, we want to keep the variable on the same side. So what's inside the log is what it's going to equal. X to the 5th equals my base, 10 to the 4th power. Now remember that the natural log, ln, is log base e. So we have what's inside the log, 8 to the a plus 1 is equal to the base of the log, e, to what it's equal to, 5.2. And then the log of 2b, the log base 2b of x plus 1 equals 1/4. So our base 2b, our exponent is the 1/4, and that equals x plus 1. And now we're going to go the other way from exponential to logarithmic form. So our exponent goes to the, is what it's going to equal in the end. So we're going to keep our variables on the same side. So e is the natural log of y plus 1 in parentheses, because I'm taking the natural log of that whole side, and that equals 4.1. The next one is 3.26 to the 2x equals 8.6. So we have the log base 3.26 of what it equals, 8.6, equals the exponent 2x. And lastly, 10 to the 2y minus 9 equals 2. So log base 10, we don't write the 10, of what the exponent equals, 2, equals the exponent 2y minus 9, what the exponential is equal to. So remember that we have powers. 2 to the 3rd is called a power, or an exponential equation once you put it equal to something. The base is that number. It's what's being raised to the exponent. So keep that in mind when you are rewriting these, because the base of your exponential power is always the base of your log.